friends, happy Saturday. It's Takeshia Rhynes, your neighborhood realtor. If you couldn't make it to the open house today, I want to give you a preview. Come on, let's take a look in the inside. Beautiful home built in 2018. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Right here in the heart of Ormond Beach, close to everything. Let's take a look at the kitchen. Open floor pan, granite countertops. Beautiful, guys. If you would like to take a look at this home in person, give me a call. Would love to give you a tour. And if you're thinking about selling your home, I specialize in getting homes sold in the least amount of time, the least amount of hassle, and the most money in your pocket. You can count on me, your neighborhood realtor. Have a great day, my friends.